we are here in Fort Lauderdale Airport. Well, where are we going, Randy?
San Juan, Puerto Rico.
Oh, what are we gonna be doing there?
Picking up a boat.
Let's do this. This is us, this is life. We said goodbye to the 9 to 5, sailing away with our fur family, living a nurse life at sea. He said one day you'll leave this world behind, so live a life you will remember. My father told me when I was just a child, these are the nights that never die. My father told me.
What's a TLC? What is a TLC?
Tender loving care.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Shit.
What's a TLC, Zach?
The channel?
What?
The channel?
What's TLC?
As a channel.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, tender love, Karen. Tender love, Karen. What's a TLC? Couple more days and she's all yours.
Yep. Feel like a little kid all over again having to take a driver's test. Taylor can cut it out.
She can totally can. Hey guys, this is Zach again.
And Randy here.
We are in Puerto Rey, Puerto Rico. We came here yesterday from our home in West Palm Beach and we are trying. So what are we doing today?
Today, the boat is so close to being ours. Got a notary coming with all the papers for us to sign and be signing all those, signing my life away. And then we make copies and overnight them back to my lender, and all the other paperwork's done. So as of then, our lovely boat is ours.
That's pretty much it. So we're just waiting for the guy to come in and sign away the papers, and
as soon as he gets that done, as soon as he gets there and that's done, we can get the official blessing to get onto the boat, and then start going through and making checklists. I already have a small checklist of things we need to get for the boat before we bring it back to Florida. But there's some other things we need to get on and verify, sizes, types, what's needed, expirations. Like I said, I have quite a bit of that already, but we need to get some serious time on the boat just to feel comfortable with her and go through and slowly move on.
sounds pretty good to me.
And Zach survived the night sleeping with me in the bed.
It wasn't fun. I was here and I left this whole thing from him.
Yeah. Don't believe him.
Okay, what the hell is going on?
I got tired of this door. Much better.
You feel better now?
Better now. I feel better.
Okay.
I mean, I'll look better, but I feel better.
So, what's gonna happen today, Randy?
Moving on to the boat. Woo!
Excited?
Oh yeah.
Get in. You're not sure you're not breaking any law right now. It's yours.
This is true.
All right.
She is mine. Oh, come on, Randy.
Gotta take off my shoes too. There you go.
Just soaking it in my feet on my boat.
Soak it in.
So,
Feel that fiberglass in your toes.
Okay. You can I'm probably going to be boring for a bit now.
Say something. Do something. It's
Say
gonna.
something.
Yeah, it's gonna have music on it.
What do you do with a drunken sailor? What do you do with a drunken
Do
sailor?
something.
What do you do with
Look
a drunken
forward.
sailor? Early in the morning. Put him in the brig until he's sober. Spin away, Macduff. Zach McGoober at the winch.
Okay.
Spin, baby, spin.
Oh, jeez. Okay. Now tell me. After a few days of settling in, getting to know the boat and doing some minor work, it was time to take the dinghy out on a ride for the first time to make sure she was in good condition.
Go ahead and flip it forward. And now immediately we want to go left. No, turn it right. There you go.
Or to make sure I was in a good condition.
As soon as we get turned around, hard, pull it hard. All the way, there you go. The way you were going, we were going to end up on the bank before it turned. Now give it some gas. Yeah. Keep turning. Okay, you got to work on doing those together. Okay, that's enough. Basically, we want to keep it idle down. I'm taking my life in my hands right now. I may need to put on the life jacket.
You're fine. Don't put on a life jacket.
Okay. Time for the tunnel of love. Remember when we met? Oh, that's the day I knew you loved. I want to tell you just how much I love you. You might need to duck.
Oh shit. Due to COVID-19 and some paperwork, it took us longer than expected to find a crew to help us bring the boat back home. Meanwhile, we spent our time wisely getting our girl ready for her maiden voyage. What do we have?
Well, Zach, we're here at the lovely San Juan International Airport, waiting to pick up our captain and crew that we hired to go north with us. So we have 3 competent watchstanders doing round-the-clock shifts. Should be about a 7-day sail and a lot of fun.
What he's trying to say is, finally we have a captain. We are at the airport. And we're waiting for him. And we might be going home tomorrow.
No, we will be leaving tomorrow.
Well, we will be leaving tomorrow.
We're leaving tomorrow. We're on our way tomorrow. If Zach's got a paddle.
It's time. What else can you tell us?
What else? Paperwork's all going through for everything. Still love the boat. Got some things we got to fix, but nothing that'll keep us from sailing. Just a little comfort stuff.
Okay. Are you excited about the journey back home?
I'm excited to be back home. We actually have a slip to pull into, which up until today I've been looking and looking and looking, and because we didn't know when we were leaving, yeah, I couldn't commit to anything. So
what we learned today, if you want to have a slip in a marina, you have to call them weeks in advance. If you tell them I'm coming next week, they'll be like, eh. And most of them, they want long term. They don't want short term. Right?
Transient berths are not that many out there. Most of them are for small boats, and we're not very long, but we're pretty wide. So they got to find a special place for us.
Okay, sounds good.
So we left at, I don't know, what, around noon this morning?
11:57.
11:57, we were underway. We picked up almost 100 gallons of fuel and got out of the marina, took care of a few things, hoist the mains and kill the engine finally, and we've been sailing now for 5 hours. We're north of Puerto Rico, kind of north. I think we're north of San Juan right now. I'd have to go look at the charts. Moving right along, averaging I'd say 6 knots, 6, 7. We got some roller waves out there. We've had speeds upwards of 9 and 10 knots, which is pretty impressive. So yeah, happy.
Any mechanical
Got
problems?
a few little quirks. Autopilot keeps kicking off. We have a bind somewhere. I think it's back in the back. We've gone through a few things. We're trying to get something cleaned up and working a little better, but gonna make for watch standing eye a little different. We were gonna go one person on and just keep rotating through, but we're gonna kind of do 2 and 2 with one person at the helm, one person sleeping up back if they're needed, and one person in their bunk. So, so there'll always be 2 people. One person driving the boat and one person on standby that if the person driving the boat needs help, they can holler and you're right there.
Awesome.
So, we're being safe.
Okay.
So. Yeah, so if you look up there, you'll see a little bit of a gap as the threads came loose on our head sail. So we decided to drop it down, but unfortunately what you didn't get to see in all of this is the head sail ripping off the bolt rope. So even though we've patched it and we could use it a little bit, it wouldn't be as good as what it was before. So off for repair. Brought this kit on board for this purpose. I really did not expect to be doing it this soon.
Today, June 6th, 2021. We're here for 24 hours. So what was your birthday present?
This morning?
Yeah.
The head's still falling down.
That was your birthday present. Did we make something special for you?
Make something special for me for your birthday? I tell you not.
Hi, Joe. I think he has it. There you go. Nice work.
One day my father, he told me, don't let it slip away. When I was just a kid, I heard him say, when you get older, your wild life will live for younger days. Think of me if you're ever afraid. He said one day you'll leave this world behind, so live a life you will remember.
Greetings. It's day 5, I've been told. Kind of lose track of them.
Wednesday, day 5.
It's Wednesday, yeah. We're about halfway point. We're in the lower part of the Bahamas. Turks and Caicos are about 40 miles behind us. As we go up, we're passing through the Bahamas, kind of a shorter, quicker route, we hope. Yeah, going good so far. Motoring on one engine with the sail up, making about 6.5 knots, so looking good. Definitely have lots we need to work on before we continue our journey, but she's a good boat.
Today is Friday, June 11th. It's day 7 underway. We are exiting the Bahamas and almost entering United States waters in about 10 hours. So we are hoping that we'll be in Fort Lauderdale by tomorrow morning and get home and see our families. And yep. So today they trusted me enough so I can be here by myself. Woo-hoo-hoo. Progress. And of course, as soon as I said that, this guy shows up. He cannot stay away. He can't stay away.
When thunderclouds start pouring down, light a fire they can't put out, carve their name into those shining stars. He said, go adventure far beyond these shores. Don't forsake this life of yours. I'll guide you home no matter where you are.
After 2.5 weeks of waiting in a marina in Puerto Rico and 8 days of sailing, we finally made it to Fort Lauderdale. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel to follow our adventures. Next time on Nourish the Boat. The ladies arrived.
You made it.
Let's go.
Is it on the side?
The right side.
Questions so far?
We go to sailing school.
Good job. You see what I'm saying?
It's perfectly lined.
It is perfectly.
Well, hello there. And the ferries move aboard. See you next week.